Hello students, this is Sanchita ma'am here welcoming you all in my social studies class. Class 4 students, take out your book and the name of your book is Time Check part number 4. So today we will learn a new lesson. A new chapter will be started today, that is chapter number 6, Domains of the Earth. Domains of the earth. The first thing will come to your mind that what is the meaning of domains? Domains means the regions of the earth or the layers of the earth, or you can say the parts of the earth. If we look around us, we see different things. Some of these are living organisms. That means living organism means living things. Organism means an individual form of life, such as you can say a bacteria or fungus or a plant or an animal. These are called organism. That means living things. And some are non-living objects. There is also air. You can feel air, which we cannot see but we can feel it. All these elements make up the 4 domains of the earth. That means the 4 layers of the earth. These are called the domains. These 4 domains are the number 1 is lithosphere, Lithosphere, lithosphere. One is lithosphere, number 2 is hydrosphere, HYDRO, hydrosphere, hydrosphere. Atmosphere, ATMOSPHERE, atmosphere. And the last one is biosphere, BIO, biosphere, sphere, biosphere. So there are 4 main domains of the earth. What are they? They are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. So what are the major domains of the earth? The 4 major domains of the earth are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Now, first of all, we will learn about the lithosphere. What is lithosphere? So, the 4 major domains of the earth are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Now, what is lithosphere? It is the surface of the earth and its outermost solid layer. All the continents as well as the ocean floors are part of it. Now, the land we stand on is a part of the lithosphere. It is the surface of the earth and its outermost solid layer. All the continents as well as the ocean floor are part of it. All these are the part of the lithosphere portion. The lithosphere consists of solid rocks. That is the solid. Lithosphere is the solid part of the earth. Solid part of the earth. Now, the lithosphere consists of solid rocks and soil, natural resources such as oil, gas and minerals are also found in the layers. Now, our planet is made up of a number of layers, namely the crust, mantle and the core. So, lithosphere is the solid part of the earth. It consists of 3 main layers. What are the layers? One is crust. The first outer portion is called crust. Then the mantle and last one is the core. Now I will explain you what does these words mean. Crust, mantle and core means what? Now see, layers of the earth. Layers of the earth. Look at the picture. This is our earth and these are the inside the earth. You can see these kind of layers. What are these? These are namely the core. Core means the inside this part is called the core. Here core is divided. It is shown in the picture. It is divided into two parts. One is outer core and the another one is inner core. Then the mantle portion and then the crust portion. Now the center of the earth. This is the center of the earth. Look at the picture. This is the center of the earth. So the center of the earth containing mostly iron and nickel. You remember this, you can underline in your book. You can see this in page number 39. All these are written, and the picture also you can see in the diagram also you can see in your book. So the center of the earth contains mostly iron and nickel, is known as the core. This is the center part. This is known as core. Now it can be divided into two parts. One is inner core and another one is outer core. You can see the picture. One is dark color and another, the inner core, is shown in light yellow color, and this one is ochre yellow color. So these are two main parts of the core area. The inner core is solid and the outer core is semi-liquid. It is also very hot at the center of the earth. Inner core and the outer core. Next is mantle. The red one shows the mantle portion. The mantle lies between the core and the crust. Crust is the uppermost part and core is this one. The center of the earth is called core. So in between core and the crust part, red part, you can see the red part, it is called the mantle of the earth, the mantle part. This one, mantle, M-A-N-T-L-E, mantle part of the earth. When the earth was formed, this layer was made up of molten rocks. These molten rocks are called magma. Later it cooled down and solidified. Now the mantle of the earth is mostly solid with areas of semi-solid magma in between. It makes up most of the earth's volume. And the last part, that is the outer part, it is called the crust. Crust is the thin, hard outer layer of the earth. It is made of solid rocks, minerals and layers of soil. You can see our continents are on this crust part. You know, we have seven main continents in our earth, in the world. So all the continents, that means all the parts of the outer parts of the world is in the crust part, is situated or located in the crust part. It is the outermost part of the earth. The crust is the thin, hard outer layer of the earth. It is made of solid rocks. Remember that, solid rocks, minerals and layers of soil. So what are the major domains of the earth? The four major domains of the earth are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. So lithosphere is the solid part of the earth. It consists of three main layers, that is crust, mantle and the core. Do we live on the lithosphere? Yes. The lithosphere is the vital to humans, as this is the part of the earth that we live on. It extends from the surface of the earth to an approximate depth of 80 to 100 kilometers. Our planet Earth is made up of various layers. The outermost layer is known as the Earth's crust. See, crust. And lithosphere is the solid part of the earth. It consists of three main layers: crust, mantle and core. This is the picture, layers of the earth. The most inner side, that is called the inner core, then the outer core, then the mantle and the outer part is crust. So students, this much is today's task. You learn this, read this first page very well, page number 39. We will finish now lithosphere up to page number 39. This page only today's task. You read this. Have a nice day. Thank you, students.